In the heart of the Middle East lies a rivalry that could shape the future of global security. Iran, two nations, vastly different in ideologies. Over the years, both countries have built powerful military arsenals, expanded regional influence, and engaged in silent cyber battles, but the question remains if tensions ever erupt. Today, we break down Iran versus Israel's military and cyberspace, reveal which nation might dominate if words turn to war. Let's begin with Iran. Iran boasts one of the largest militaries in the Middle East in terms of manpower. Its armed forces include the regular army, the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps. The IRGC in particular is a powerful force, heavily involved in regional conflicts and deeply loyal to Iran's supreme leader. Iran's military strategy is largely proxy, militias, and guerrilla tactics, rather than conventional warfare. While its air force and navy are outdated, Iran compensates with an expansive missile program, including ballistic and cruise missiles with ranges that can reach Israel and even U.S. bases in the Gulf. Iran also relies heavily on Shiite militias in Iraq and Syria, and the Houthis. These groups extend Iran's reach across the region, allowing it to strike at adversaries. Its missile arsenal is among the largest in the Middle East, capable of carrying out surveillance and suicide attacks. While many of its weapons are older Soviet-era models, Iran has mastered the art of adaptation and resilience. Now, let's talk about Israel. Despite its small size and limited population, Israel possesses one of the most technologically advanced and battle-tested militaries in the world. The Israel Defense Forces are known for precision, innovation, and intelligence. Israel's military doctrine emphasizes rapid mobilization. The Israeli Air Force is the crown jewel, equipped with US-made F-35 stealth fighters, advanced drones, and some of the most skilled pilots in the world. Israel also possesses a powerful missile defense system. The Iron Dome intercepts short-range rockets, and the Arrow system is designed for ballistic missiles. In a potential conflict with Iran, these systems would be crucial in protecting Israeli cities from Iranian missile barrages. And then there's Israel's nuclear ambiguity. While never officially confirmed, Israel is widely believed to possess up to 80 to 100 nuclear warheads. Its second strike capability via submarines armed with nuclear-tipped cruise missiles ensures Israel could retaliate with devastating force. This nuclear deterrence is a powerful shield in an unstable region. But modern warfare isn't just fought with tanks and planes, it's fought in cyberspace. It has used cyber operations not only to gather intelligence. The Stuxnet virus, which reportedly delayed Iran's nuclear program, is widely believed to be a joint US-Israeli operation. Israel's Unit 8200 is one of the most elite cyber intelligence units in the world, capable of offensive and defensive operations at the highest level. Iran, too, has developed strong cyber capabilities. Its cyber forces have targeted critical infrastructure, oil facilities. Iran's cyber attacks may not be as sophisticated as Israel's. In a full-blown cyber war, both nations have the potential to cause significant damage. Another critical factor in comparing military power is alliances. Israel is strongly supported by the United States, receiving billions in military aid and having access to cutting-edge American technology. It has also recently normalized relations with several Arab countries through the Abraham Accords. Iran, on the other hand, is allied with Syria, Hezbollah, and Shia. It also has growing ties with Russia and China. These relationships bolster Iran's regional influence, but come with their own limitations. If Iran and Israel were to enter a direct military conflict, the initial phase would likely involve airstrikes, missile exchanges, and cyber attacks. Israel would probably strike Iranian nuclear facilities and missile bases. Iran would respond with missile salvos from its territory and proxy forces. But a full-scale ground war is unlikely. Both countries are geographically distant, Instead, the war would likely be fought through air power, skyline, intelligence operations, and regional skirmishes, and allied forces. In this scenario, Israel's superior technology, intelligence, Iran's ability to sustain long-term proxy warfare and retaliate through asymmetric means could still inflict significant damage. So, who holds the real military power in? The answer depends on the battlefield. In a conventional war, air superiority, precision strikes, and intelligence, its military is smaller, but far more advanced. And its alliance with the US, however, Iran's strength lies in its unconventional approach, its vast missile arsenal, deep network of proxy fighters, and cyber capabilities. Neither country truly wants war, but both are constantly preparing for it. And in a region as volatile as the Middle East, even a small spark could ignite a conflict with global repercussions. In the end, power is not just about weapons, it's about deterrence. For now, both Iran and Israel are locked in a silent, high-stakes chess game. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe. What do you think? Could Iran and Israel clash directly in the future, or will proxy wars continue to be their battlefield? Let us know in the comments below.